Welcome back to the channel 38 gang. It's your boy Slushy Student 38. Man, I got a new product for y'all today. We gonna dive into that after y'all watch the intro. And yeah, man, it's the 2017 Dodge Challenger. 6.4 ScatPack, got 30,000 miles. I changed the tires from a 245 to a 275. But yeah, we gonna get inside the car. It's a little loud out here. I do got my mic on and stuff. Stay tuned for the video, guys, and let's go.
There's clips in there, watch your lips in there. Before I make this 40 disappear, make it disappear. Yeah. This that kill switch. Only thing I rap about is real shit. All these I can't deal with. It's gonna make my shooters do it real quick. Make my shooter band. I'ma have my man.
What's up, 38 gang? Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Looking like utility work.
All right, gang. So look, once again, I have the Onecarstereo sent me the product. It's a full Android system. And what I want to talk about before we dive into it, unboxing this and just doing a review. I don't want to do really much of an unboxing. I just want to review it a little bit. And I won't go into a bunch of crazy stuff about it. But look, one thing I want to talk about is the CarPlay that's already on my car. I was wondering why I was dinging. So look, this is my stereo system that I have now. This is what my app loadout look like now. It's pretty generic, nothing extra to it, and no crazy options. That's what I'm about to show you guys besides performance page. And then like when you hook with the phone option over here, that's mainly it. These is my options right here. All right, so look, let's show y'all the product. This is what the box look like. The back of it. And yeah, I'm gonna open it up. I already opened it up and hooked it to the car to test it out to make sure it worked and just tried out a few features and everything. This is the device. It comes with 2 chargers. This is a USB to USB type and a C to A, like a USB, like you would call it, like it goes in a little port. Sorry, like once again, I said I hooked it up already. Another few things about the device, I got this sticker on here, let me take it off, is that you can stick a memory card in here, memory card, SIM card, and it's the charger port. So the SIM card will like give you, service, so you don't have to use Wi-Fi, because that's the way I do it. I use my hotspot off my phone to be able to use a lot of the features on here, like YouTube and all of that good stuff. I just don't want to talk about it until I show you guys. But and then the memory cards for like photos, videos that's already downloaded to a memory card, obviously. So yeah, let's hook it up real quick. Move that out the way. So when you first hook it up, a few lights would turn on. I think it's a green light and a few red ones, yeah. So that's what it looked like. I usually stick it inside of here and it's out the way. So I don't even need to look at it no more. So like now on the screen, if it's already hooked up when you have it already in your car, it's just not even going to take a second before it pop up on your screen. But obviously when you unhook it and hook it back up, it takes a little second for it to pop up. But normally when you get in here and it's already hooked up, this screen would be on already. So basically, if you don't want this to show again, which I'm going to do finally, because I don't want that to show anymore after this. I already know everything about it. So like one thing I want to say for Dodges, it's a really good thing to have, because you obviously get the loadout looks so much different from what my screen looked at before. One thing I mainly use it for, I want to talk about, is the YouTube thing. We're gonna start with that first. And first and foremost, like I said before, how I get the wireless Wi-Fi on here is using my personal hotspot. Everybody phone should have one if you got a cell phone. So, and I got the unlimited data plan, so it doesn't bother my gigs or any speed or anything like that. And how you get to the settings for that is you just go to that. It looks like a cell phone. That looks like how a cell phone would normally look, and it's already connected to my phone. So I'm just gonna hit that, and it should just connect to my personal hotspot / his iPhone, and then we go to YouTube, and there you are with that. So like, I wouldn't recommend watching videos while driving, but y'all know I don't really give a freak. So I literally play songs, and it takes in a second for it to connect, but I usually play songs and drive because I can watch a video. I think that's pretty cool. That's like the coolest thing about it. I'm not going to play. I could play a little bit of it so y'all can see it actually works, and it don't take long to load everything.
Heartwarming ads.
Let me turn it down. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. So let's just go back to another few features on here. I'm not going to make this video like super dragged out, but let's just go back to, because you still can operate your car, like if you want to get to your radio, if you want to go to your phone, or any controls, like if I just need to still do that, and then you still hit the CarPlay and it pulls you right back. That's one thing I wanted to show. Turn that off, and the noise. All right, so look, you got Google. This is Google Play. I don't have my Google signed in or anything because I mean, for the purpose of the video, I logged out of everything. But with that, you could, you know, you play stuff off of Google. I don't have any pictures uploaded or anything like that. Another few things is that I can show y'all is, I think it's Chrome. They have Chrome if you want to search stuff on the internet. Like I'm not logged in, but I think I can show it real quick in the video. No thanks. Because I haven't messed with none of this stuff. But if you want to search stuff on the internet while you're driving, they have Instagram you can log into. I don't know what happened right there, but they have Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. You can log into it or search it up here and then do it on the web and do it that way. You also can download other apps. I'm not going to search anything. I just wanted to show you guys that this works for the video purposes and not to drag it out. And other things, they have Waze on here. So with Waze, it's the same way it will work on a cell phone. Like I said, I haven't used it, but I do know you can do a voice command. No, I'm just gonna get started. I'm not have to log in. See, that's why I didn't want to do it for video purposes. Also, we have Netflix. I'm not logged into none of this stuff because I don't want it to be logged in for video purposes, and I don't want people to see like emails and stuff like that. So, no, we don't have to update it now. But I'm just basically giving you guys a rundown on the device and showing you guys that how cool this is. It's definitely a good upgrade for your screen. A lot of people got dodges that watch my channel. You should probably look into it because it's something that's very interesting. How do you look it out of here? Okay. I don't know how to, do I hit it twice or what? So I never did this one before, but it's a way you gotta. A few more little things about the device. If you scroll down on the screen, you can add different users because you know, like if they got their information logged on to their account or whatever, you can customize it for just them. Another thing I want to talk about real quick once I get this screen out the way is the home screen. So you could change the background of this home screen. I haven't done it yet, but you can change it to have a picture customizable in the back instead of like that blue. I haven't really messed with anything like that. You can like I said before, you can voice search stuff, and it's a lot of other things. This is if you stuck the memory card in there, the VLC, that gives you all the stuff from there. And I don't want to make this like super dragged out, but thanks for watching, guys. If y'all want to see more on this device, we can dive into it a little bit better. I just wanted to review a real quick thing and just show you guys, you know, the new device that I got from the Onecarstereo. And I think that this is a way better CarPlay like option than what you get stock from the factory with Dodge or any car. I'm just using it for my car, but other people on YouTube have reviewed the product for their cars, and I like this. I really like it so far. Before I close the video out, I definitely want to show y'all another product that I got recently. It's a vehicle, well, the name of it is Vehicle Intelligent Lighting System, but it's basically ambient light that you have to install in the trim and stuff. So I would definitely be showing you. I got another car another car sponsorship sent me this product to review. So I definitely will be showing you guys this in the future. I'm gonna go, my next video, I will show y'all my 275 setup on the tires and stuff, and show y'all some pulls and give y'all a little bit more interesting video. I do have like some performance mods coming. I got another sponsorship with a product that I worked with before, Dyna Performance. They do carbon fibers, so I'm gonna probably carbon fiber this whole interior out. But stay tuned for those videos, guys. Thanks for watching once again. I didn't want to make it dragged out because I know you can talk and talk. I can go on and on about this device, but I wanted to show you guys the main features that I use, which is really YouTube right now. And then like on like the map, the Google Waze and Google Map. And sometimes I haven't searched anything on while I'm driving. Like, why would I be searching while I'm driving? They also have Spotify. I didn't say that before. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. Thanks for the product, Onecarstereo. If y'all see this video, I'll make sure y'all send it to you guys. And stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thanks, 38 Gang, and we out. Peace.